Mr. Lopez in tow. Give him a round of applause here, ladies and gentlemen, looking snazzy, nice and polished up. Wave, wave, children, wave. Say, walk east side, walk east side.
Jaden got sport games too? Did you see him on the stuff?
Appreciate it. Next in line we have the Pit River Tribe. Alright, following on behind here, we have our Culture and Heritage Department, keeping culture alive as the team. Don't forget to check out the display of artifacts at the Gulf Augie Gala today from 11 to 1 and 3 to 5. And tomorrow from 10 to 12 in the morning. Thank you, Culture and Heritage, for coming on out. Following on behind them, we have the Harold and Marianne Wright family representing in honor of Mr. Harold and Marianne Wright, the matriarchs of the Wright family. Aho, aho. Wave big, ladies, wave big. We have members of Awakening Thunder giving us a good song. Aho, aho. Thank you there, brother. Rolling in deep all the way from way up north, we have Mr. Anthony Quinnell and Company, Roaring Creek Dancers. Powwow royalty and elders and dancers of one. Come on, let's give them a big round of applause as we welcome in here for the 36th annual parade. We have our educational confluence representatives. The theme is color, dance, and beauty. Sister and regalia. Give them a big round of applause here. Man, they got that good candy. Let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Aho, aho.
Smokey! That's the money shot.